Your miss means nothing!
No, he's doing this on purpose.
What?
6th rank. Experienced. There's no way he's this weak. Unless...
Look! She's got him! She's gonna win!
7 rank power! It's a trap!
Now!
No!
Shut up! She's winning, and you're telling her to hold back? Some father you are!
Die.
What? He was right?
Quickly conjure your windshield to block!
Lucky guess, stableman. But what happens when I stop playing around?
Sir! Sir! She's in trouble, what do we do?
The missile mess with you, but it's weak. Go straight at him. Even if you take a hit, force him into a real clash.
Drop the guard! That's suicide! Commander, don't listen to him. He has no idea what he's talking about.
So this is Stormland's commander. Disappointing.
Damn it. If this continues, we'll only be worn down by him. No choice but to give it a try.
Dropping the gun will get her killed! Dane, that's your own daughter! So this is your weakness. You're done.
Sir was right again. Not bad. Seems Stormland ain't totally useless. But your campaign spot, we're taking it.
What do you mean?
Did you really think I was the strongest one who came today? Beat him!
I have to step in. Damn it! Why won't it break?
Julian Nightingale? Pendragon's disciple? Why the hell is he here?
Wait, the one they say reached 8th rank?
You disappoint me. Struggling with a little girl.
Captain,
Not bad. You look pretty good. Hand over the slot. Serve me. I might spare you a little order.
In your dreams.
Watch out!
This power?
That's it. One casual swing nearly broke you, and you call yourself the Storm's head. Damn it. Still not time.
Senior, finish her. Let them see what happens to the weak. Stop! Fine! You win. Take what you want, but hands off her! Surrender? Sure. Kneel. Give up your Imperial campaign. Swear loyalty to us, and we'll take your surrender.
Don't kneel, Leonor! If you kneel, we're done!
8. Enough wasting my time. Kneel. Or she dies with her pride.
Must our daughter meet the same fate because of you?
Please, spare her. I said kneel. I never said I'd spare her.
Come! Stormland raised me. A knight dies for her land. That is honor!
6.
They lied to us! Kill them! Stop! Easy. Watch it close. This is what happens to those who won't kneel. We'll hang her head on your gates.
Touch her again. I swear, I'll make every one of you pay!
Oh, the stable rat thinks he can threaten me now.
I'm Serene Essa, commander of the Storm Knights. For Stormland, for our people, I will never kneel!
Storm Knights! Never kneel! Pathetic fools! Ants can never stand against me!
아래를 클릭해서 구독하고 전체 버전을 시청하세요.